Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this trigonometry equation. So we have to solve this equation on the interval 0 to 2 pi. So 0 is included in the interval because of the square brackets, but 2 pi is not included in the interval. Now the given equation is cos of 4x equals negative square root of 3 over 2. Now in order to solve this equation, we have to isolate x, the variable in the equation. Now in this case, the cos of 4x is equal to a negative number. We'll have to use the cast rule or the ASTC rule to first identify the quadrants in which cos is negative. So we'll draw the quadrants, and as you may know, cos is negative in quadrant 2 and quadrant 3. Now the next step is to find the reference angle for this principal angle in quadrants 2 and 3. So for that, we do the inverse of cos. So the symbol for the reference angle or the related acute angle is beta. So we do beta equals inverse of cos of square root of 3 over 2. We get a special angle for cos inverse of square root of 3 over 2, and that special angle is pi over 6. So you can get this either from the unit circle or if you use the special triangle for pi over 6. Now since the given domain is in radians, our answers have to be in radians. Now since the given domain is from 0 to 2 pi, so that's why we have to consider both of these quadrants for our solution, because these two quadrants lie in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So in this case, our reference angle or the related acute angle is pi over 6. So now we can write our answer in the second quadrant. So here we are solving for 4x right now, because when we do the inverse of cos, we are left with 4x. So 4x is equal to, so in the second quadrant, we do pi minus the reference angle or the related acute angle, which is pi over 6. Now in the third quadrant, we will do pi plus the reference angle or the related acute angle, which is pi over 6. Now another important thing to keep in mind is that the given equation has this quadruple angle 4x. So in order to find all possible values for x in this interval 0 to 2 pi, we'll have to go around the circle 4 times. So currently we have only gone around the circle once in quadrants 2 and 3. So now we'll have to go around the circle the second time to find the next two angle values for 4x, and for that we will do this pi minus pi over 6, the angle value we got in quadrant 2, and to that we add 2 pi. The angle value we got in quadrant 3, we add 2 pi to that. So these are the two angle values we get when we go around the circle from the positive x-axis second time. And since we are given 4x, so as I mentioned earlier, we have to go around the circle 4 times. So when we go around the circle the third time, so we start with the quadrant 2. So pi minus pi over 6 plus 2 pi was the value we got for the second round. So for the third round, we'll get 4 pi. 2 pi plus 2 pi. And then we'll do pi plus pi over 6 plus 4 pi, because we are going around the circle the third time. We'll have to go around the circle another time, the fourth time. So that will be pi minus pi over 6 plus 6 pi, and then pi plus pi over 6 plus 6 pi. Now you must be thinking that these angle values that we are getting from the second round, the third round, and the fourth round are outside this given interval. Yes, they are outside this interval, but this interval is for x. And right now we are solving for 4x. So now we should simplify these values. So 4x equals, so pi minus pi over 6. So now we have to subtract these terms. So the denominator of pi is 1. So the common denominator is 6. So basically we get 6 pi over 6. So we multiply the numerator and the denominator by 6. And when we subtract them, so we get 5 pi over 6. So that's the value in the second quadrant. Now the next value in the third quadrant will be pi plus pi over 6. So we do the same thing. So the denominator of pi is 1. The common denominator is 6. So we'll multiply the numerator and the denominator by 6. So it will become 7 pi over 6, because here we are adding the fraction. Now the next one will become, so 5 pi over 6 plus 2 pi, and then 7 pi over 6 plus 2 pi, and then 5 pi over 6 plus 4 pi, and then 7 pi over 6 plus 4 pi, and then 5 pi over 6 plus 6 pi, and lastly then 7 pi over 6 plus 6 pi. Now we have to combine these values. So in the next step, so we get 4x equals, so 5 pi over 6 and then 7 pi over 6. So now we have to do 5 pi over 6 plus 2 pi. So the denominator of 2 pi is 1. So the common denominator will be 6. So we'll multiply the numerator and the denominator by 6. So we get 12 pi over 6. So 12 pi plus 5 pi will become 17 pi over 6. Now we'll do the same thing for 7 pi over 6 plus 2 pi. So the common denominator is 6. So this will become 12 pi over 6. So 12 pi plus 7 pi is 19 pi. So we'll continue the step with 5 pi over 6 plus 4 pi. So the denominator of 4 pi is 1. So the common denominator is 6. So we'll multiply the numerator and the denominator by 6. So it becomes 24 pi over 6. So 24 plus 5 is 29 pi over 6. And now we'll do 7 pi over 6 plus 4 pi. So same thing, the denominator is 1. The common denominator is 6. So we'll multiply the numerator and the denominator by 6. So 24 pi over 6. So 24 plus 7 is 31. So 31 pi over 6. And now for the values from the fourth round. So the denominator of 6 pi is 1. So the common denominator will be 6. So we'll multiply the numerator and the denominator by 6. So we get 36 pi over 6 plus 5 pi over 6. So it'll be 41 pi over 6. And now for the last one, so 6 pi over 1, the common denominator is 6. So we multiply the numerator and the denominator by 6. So we'll get 6 times 6 is 36 pi plus 7 pi is 43 pi over 6. Now we have to change this 4x to x by dividing each term by 4. So we'll divide each of these values by 4. So the 4's on the left side cancel each other out. Now we have to divide each fraction by 4. So we can write the solution here. So x equals, now 5 pi over 6 divided by 4. So I can show you the steps here on the side. So see, we can first write it as a division statement. So 5 pi over 6 divided by 4. And the denominator of 4 is 1. So we can change it into a multiplication statement. 5 pi over 6 times 1 over 4. So we flip the fraction. So we get 5 pi over 24. So that's the first solution. So similarly, we'll have to repeat this step for all other values. So the next one will be 7 pi over 24. The third one will be 17 pi over 24. Then 19 pi over 24. Then 29 pi over 24. 31 pi over 24. And then 41 pi over 24. And lastly, 43 pi over 24. So in this case, we got 8 solutions. And we can check that these values are in this interval. So 43 pi over 24 is less than 2 pi because 43 is less than double of 24. So that's why. So these are the 8 valid solutions for this equation in this given interval. So you have to keep that in mind that in this case we are given a quadruple angle 4x. So that's why we have to go around the circle 4 times to find all solutions in this given interval. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.